Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an Ebike throttle. We'll start by checking the basics. First, confirm your Ebike battery is fully charged and securely connected. Next, carefully inspect all visible wiring for any signs of damage, such as cuts or pinches, and ensure all connectors are firmly seated. Finally, verify that your Ebike is powered on and not in a walk assist or restricted mode that might prevent throttle operation. These initial steps can often resolve simple issues quickly. Now let's test the throttle itself. You'll need a multimeter for this. With the Ebike powered on, connect the multimeter leads to the throttle's signal and ground wires. A functional throttle should show a voltage range, typically from about 0.8 volts when at rest, increasing to around 4.2 volts when fully twisted. If these readings are off, also check the controller's 5-volt supply to the throttle by disconnecting the throttle and testing the input wires. Many throttle issues stem from simple problems. If your throttle contacts appear dirty or corroded, a specialized electrical contact cleaner can often restore functionality. Should your throttle consistently fail the voltage tests, it's likely faulty and will need to be replaced with a new unit. For frayed wires or damaged connectors, carefully cut out the compromised section and splice in new wiring, ensuring secure, insulated connections for safety and reliability. For more complex problems, always refer to your Ebike's specific user manual or wiring diagram. This provides crucial information unique to your model. Remember, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the Ebike battery completely before attempting any repairs or electrical work to prevent accidental power surges or injury. If you're ever uncertain about diagnosing or fixing intricate electrical issues, it's always best to consult a qualified Ebike technician for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.